ICT or Information and Communication Technology, it includes all the tools and systems na nakakatulong para sa atin na makipag-communicate and also to process the information. Like the internet and the mobile network, that's the example of information and communication technology. Now let's talk about why they matter in the 21st century. So imagine the world without YouTube and video calls, also the social media. That's impossible, right? So the multimedia and the ICT have transformed, and also to learn how we learn and stay connected. So multimedia and the ICT is a big part of our society, like us, the student. So kami mga estudyante, araw-araw namin ginagamit ang multimedia para sa mga projects namin. And also, we use the ICT to communicate to our peers or our classmates and also our teachers. So it also we use in the company, like we use the tablet, gadgets, and so on. So malaking part talaga sa society ang ICT at saka multimedia. But always remember na you have to minimize your usage in the all platforms or the gadgets para hindi ka masakop ng technology at magkaroon ka pa rin ng peace of mind dito sa mundo.